What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick video on how to remove your locking wheel nut without the key itself. I'm going to show you how to do it at home without having to go to any garages and spend a fortune.
Big Hoss Car Customizer.
What you'll definitely need is this. This is designed for rounded nuts and bolts. You can find this at your local hardware store. And also what else you need is a breaker bar, a hammer, an extension adapter thing. And once you take it out, they will get stuck, so you'll need some sort of pliers. Anything any will do, and just yank it out like that. Once you've got this in place, what you want to do is gently hammer first to begin with, so you feel like it's secure. And once it's secure, then you can put more pressure with the hammer. Once you've got that in place, you'll feel it, it's firm and secure. You take this piece out and you put your breaker bar in, like so. As you can see, we've got the breaker bar in. Open it slowly but surely. And that's it, guys. Now you just take it out, and that is what it looks like. Now this is where your pliers come into play. Just take it off, get it off. And that's how you do it, guys. All done. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.